Hey, what's up, guys? It's Dave. I'm going to go over my Rocket Lab trade real quick. I'm on TradeIdeas per usual. This is how I found the setup. You can see how the single stock window gives me all the information that I like to look at. And it's kind of part of my trading process. Here is the chart, and let's get to it. So you can see that Rocket Lab had a nice little base here, broke out of that base, pushed higher, found an area supply, and then just kind of time corrected, and it let the 10 EMA catch up. You can see in the past the 10 EMA was respected here, this area right there again. So it broke out of this basing area, this time correction, this ranging area, this consolidation area on volume. Okay, it had a rest day, and then it just continued to chop sideways. I'm going to go on my 30-minute time frame here. This is what I like to look at for like shorter term structure. It gives me a better idea of when I'm about to try and time my entries. So you can see this white line zooming in here. So there's a breakout. This is that day on volume. This white line is anchored VWAP. You can see it from the breakout day. You can see it on the second day, it held above it. Third day, dipped below it, double bottom here, consolidation, the real tight consolidation at the bottom of the day. People were probably getting short here, right? Looking for a breakdown if this was going to fail. So we had some shorts trapped here, quote unquote trapped, which educate, I guess, I don't know, maybe supplied the juice to break this downtrend line here that I had placed. So I entered on the the third day after that move, once it pulled back and respected the anchor VWAP from the breakout day again. And so if we zoom in, we can see it kind of flagged to the VWAP. This red line is the VWAP of that day, and had a strong push off of it, increased volume, but it was the end of the day. So I entered here on that white line and I held. My rule was if it closes below the 10 EMA, I am out. And you can see, if we zoom out, this white line right here, price never closed below the 10 EMA. The day before that I got out on, the Wednesday, the 30th, it basically closed at the 10 EMA. So it was kind of my last ditch effort. The rule is also like these quick moves down to the 20 EMA, I hold, because if it's a tag of the 20, the chances of it popping back up, if it wants to respect it, is rather high in this market environment over the past few weeks, especially with 20 EMA pullbacks. And so look what it did. So my stop loss was 1040. The lows of the day was 1030. It double bottomed at 1030 in the trading hours of the day. And it tagged me out only to rip higher like 6% the next day. You gotta love when that happens. It's part of the game. It's going to happen to everybody. I just got chopped out of this one, and that's okay. I manage my risk. I follow my rules. Rules are rules. You follow them, right? It keeps you alive. You trade to trade the next day. You manage your risk. But that's basically what happened. I got tagged out here. My stop loss. I did miss this huge move, unfortunately. This 10% move on the 24th. It just pushed super quick, really high, quick. Off it's like 10% on this day. I was at work. I'm working with patients during the day, so I don't have time to manage this. What I could have done is maybe I should set a profit target. I don't typically like doing that though, because I like to hold and a nice trend. It gets extended. I will take profit. It gets extended, but within 30 minutes, it's not realistic for me. So I did miss that, is what it is. Could have had a nice profit on there, but I didn't. So it was a 1R loss for me. I think it was like 1.02 or something like that. Nothing too crazy, but yeah, there you go. If you guys like this content, like, share, subscribe, all the good stuff. Check out the link below the video. Come join our trading group, Micro E Futures. We have an equity side as well. It's absolutely awesome. And then per usual, you always see this TradeIdeas stuff that I'm using to scan the markets and setting up my watch lists and all of these different channels you can utilize out on the side. So if you guys are interested, at least try a trial. They do have a 25% off monster deal right now for Halloween, so take advantage of that. Otherwise, you could always use my link, my promo code DCOB15 if you miss that. So take advantage of when these things go on sale, because this tech is awesome and it's ever changing. All right, have a good one. Thanks for your time. like, subscribe, share. Appreciate you guys. Stay safe.